Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and we kick off with probably one of the most exciting videos out today. It is so cool what I'm about to share with you that I can't even help myself. Let's go. Let's get right into it. So the SEC versus Ripple Labs, we know that it's a cryptocurrency trial of the century, and it has spurred a big debate among many of the needed regulatory clarity. We need regulatory clarity. I think as much as we never anticipated on December 23 for a case like this to come out, I think long term it will end up being one of the best things that will have ever happened, not just to XRP and Ripple, but to the entire cryptocurrency industry. We need more regulatory clarity. We need it. And so what we're talking about here in this particular article is about, how important this case is, and to define that Ripple is not a security, so to define that the XRP token is not a security will be absolutely amazing. So that is what we're striving for now. It's gone too far. We're going all the way, and I cannot wait. Now, analysts are saying that Bitcoin fractal setup from 2019 hints a BTC price can rebound back to 50,000. So over in this article, they talk about how what occurred back in 2019, it looks like a similar pattern to what's going on right now, and how we can go back to 50,000 from here. So a swing could be coming our way, and we've already seen, like a Sunday price action being bullish generally is a really, really good sign for a strong week to come. So very, very exciting. I told you that, A, we weren't in a bear run. B, look, we have. Like 60% down for the length of time that it's been down. It has been a short-term bear run, but we're going to be back because A, blockchain's not going anywhere. B, it's only going to get bigger. More countries are bringing their own hedge funds, superannuation funds and all that into the crypto space. The companies that are forming every single day using blockchain technology, you got companies like VeChain, which are going to be, using the blockchain for so much good out there in the world. It's only here to stay. Now, the Flare network, much anticipated airdrop to XRP holders appear to be set in stone, with a final plan for distribution confirmed. So Flare, which is planned for months to airdrop Spark FLR tokens to XRP holders, is for the first time outlining how the distribution will take place. This is huge. We've been waiting very, very patiently for this amazing token to come our way, and I'll be bringing to you all of that information. So once the network goes live, Flare says that each eligible holder will immediately receive 15% of the claimable Spark tokens, and then claim an average of 3% per month, which is awesome. Carrying on for a minimum of 25 months and a maximum of 34 months. Love it. So Flare says the slow rollout is designed to try and prevent excessive sell pressure or other negative effects on the Spark token, which is absolutely fair enough. At the end of the day, guys, I don't care what you say, you're getting it for free. And so there is no need to rush this out. And we all know that majority of people, that if they got 100% of their Flare token tomorrow, they would sell it. And that's what they want to prevent. So very, very, very exciting. They're coming our way. We're getting 15%, and then we're going to get 5% each month for 3% per month for 25 months. Maximum will go to 34 months. So really, 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 really exciting to see this happen, to get a confirmation of it, and I'm super, super bullish on Flare and all the possibilities that are going to come because of the Flare network. Now, the Singapore NFT marketplace Mintable receives Ripple backing. So Singapore-based buyer of record-breaking NFT artwork revealed. And so with new funding, Mintable will be focusing on scaling its operation and boosting its growth and user acquisition incentives. So Ripple is investing in Mintable, a Singapore-based marketplace for non-fungible tokens, in a Series A funding round that secured $13 million. So again, we'll be keeping a very, very close eye on this and what this means out there. And Ripple and their XRP ledger being made available for NFTs is just so exciting in that space. Now, the Ripple ODL registered in UAE to provide payments and other electronic financial service details. So there's another big player. It doesn't get any bigger than Dubai and the UAE. So the XRP have posted tweets in an announcement that Ripple ODL trademark now being officially registered with the UAE Ministry of Economics. So we know that through research, you can find that XRP and Ripple do play quite a big role in this part of the world, and it is very much accepted. But these patents for the on-demand liquidity are through. So it is so cool to see more nations, more countries, and more people coming on board. And it is literally now coming in one after another, after another, after another, which to me only sounds like all these things are coming out. To me, signals that we're about to have an announcement of the case settling, because it's just too obvious that all this good news is coming out one after another after another. Now, I've got some news for you. This is how we're going to get to $5.55. I love this, the Shepherd XRP, what he's posted on here. I really, really like this. And it is, I mean, obviously it's not going to go exactly like this, as we know, otherwise everyone would be in it. But 550, I think is the first step, and then I think once we break out of that, we will go to tens and beyond. But I think from here, breaking the previous all-time high and reaching 555 is going to be pretty much along this way. Now, it's not going to be straightforward as that, of course. Now, on the 4-hour 21 MA, we had, some important resistance that's coming along now, and I think, we really are setting ourselves up for a very, very nice bullish. I expect the next 2 weeks, within the next 2 weeks, we're going to really start to see some very bullish momentum. And the reason why I say that is because of things like this, right? So where we are right now, we're going to break above 80, then retest it back down, then go above into 90, retest 80 and touch that line. Then we're off to the races, as they say. So very, very exciting. So keep an eye out for that type of formation, because I think this type of formation is the important. We need to have a test of the 80, bounce off of it, and then we will continue to kick off. Let's have a look into Atani. Let's see what Atani is telling us. Okay, so as we look at the charts at the moment, and this is literally at the time of making this, we're sitting at 69 cents, 2.83% up for the day. We got Bitcoin at almost 35,600 actually at the time of making this. Now, what's really important here is that on the MACD, we are in a bullish trend. On the Bollinger Band, we're probably sitting at about halfway. And on the RSI, we're still way, way down towards the lower end. So we've got plenty of room here to move, which is really, really exciting. Now, let's jump into the 1 hour chart. Let's have a look at what's going on. So we were outside of the Bollinger Band, and now we're back inside the Bollinger Band. So we were in the RSI, we were into the oversold, and now we're back on. But the volume in the MACD, the gap between the two, is really, really, really exciting there. So plenty of volume coming on. The 4 hour has gone bullish. So remember, we were bearish on the 4 hour. On the 6 hour, we've tipped over into a bullish segment. On the 12 hour, we are bullish. So we almost touched, but we are bullish, and we can see the volume that is going on at the moment. So for me, looks really good, and especially being a Sunday, like I said, go Uniswap at 10.45% up at the moment. So big volumes are coming our way. Let's have a look at some drawings. Let's see what they tell us. Okay, what I want to focus on first is this, right? So we're just hanging in there, that we are above this particular formation. And I think, we could go down maybe to 60. So you can see the red there signals, how far we could go down. But the rest, like going up to $1.69 is really, really up for grabs right now. And we will be looking for confirmations of this. We need constant confirmations, patience and confirmations. That's what makes a good patient trader, right? Confirmations. Now, breaking out of here, we will go towards $1, and then the key resistance will be at $1.10. That will be a big one. Now, should anything happen, we will drop down to 50, but I personally cannot see that happening. And I don't know about you, but as you know, watching this channel many times, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice, but I'm just calling it how I see it. Next stop, after we really truly begin the bull run, 3.66 and then $14.11. That, to me, based on my research, is where we're aiming and where we're going. So what a great time to in 2021 to be in. Now, again, when we talk about key points here, we're talking about 0.75, 0.90, and $1. They are crucial points, and I want to make sure that you know that, because they are very, very, very important points. And I think from here, we will probably go down, test this line just a little bit. So that's like on the 60 cents if we are to, and then we're going straight for $1. Now, more in depth about where we're going to next. After we go to $1, we're going to $1.75. And there is a key point there at around $1.20, $1.15 that we need to break above. So very, very, very important. So again, when we look over here, what's going on right now, 62 cents, low 60 cents maybe, but highs of 80. So we got to break above that 80. Once we're above 80 and we confirm above 80, then we will kick off a major party. Another way to look at it is that the demand zone has been here for all this time, and now we're going to go zigzagging our way back to $1.30 and then continue. So super, super bullish on XRP. If you haven't got it already, if you don't hear it in my voice, I want you to do some research, right? Do some research. Let's see if you and I agree. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. As always, thank you, and I look forward to see you on the next one.